Very good morning, every one of you team. First of all, a warm welcome, every one of you to TrioTech Software Training. Also, I welcome you all for today's demo session on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Okay, so before starting the session for today, can any one of you please do confirm? Am I audible to everyone? My voice is clear to everyone. Can you please unmute and please let me know?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
sir.
audible.
Yes, sir, your voice is
Yes, sir.
clearly
Yes, sir.
audible.
Right.
Clear.
Yes, sir, your voice is
Yes,
audible.
sir. Audible for your voice.
Thank you. Thank you. So I kept everyone in mute again. Yeah. Thanks for confirming. So let's start the session. So people are yet to join. So they are joining slowly. No worries. So again, a warm welcome every one of you to TrioTech Software Trainings. I am Kumar. I am the founder director for TrioTech Software Trainings, and also I'm a lead trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications at TrioTech. Before starting today's session, before starting today's session, let me have an announcement for you team. What is that? See, today we kept everyone in mute for the session. So probably some of you by this time again trying to unmute your mic, but you will be not able to do that. So we kept everyone in mute for today's session. I'll tell you why we kept everyone in mute as well. Only for today. From tomorrow, the session will be open. You can ask any question what you have immediately. But for today, we kept everyone in mute. Why? Because today, whoever the participants in the call, we are having people from different mix of backgrounds team. So if I have to say, we have participants like who are recently college passed out freshers. So we have that kind of people in the call today, like whoever completed their studies recently in the month of April, May, just college passed out, looking for one good technology to learn in the market and start their career in IT industry. We have that kind of people in the call. And we have people who completed their studies 1 year back, 2 years back. So last 1, 2 years or 3 years, they have completed their studies, but looking for a good job to start their career. Unfortunately, they couldn't get into any job in this last 1, 2, 3 years. Now they want to start their career in IT with one of the good high demanded technology in the market. We have that kind of people in the call today. And we have people with non-IT experiences. Most important population here is people from non-IT backgrounds like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 6 years, or 10 years. You might be working in different non-IT domains, like you might be into US staffing recruitment, you might be working as a recruiter, or you might be working as a talent acquisition specialist, or you might be working as a sales associates, or into operations, or into investment banking, or into customer supports, BPO, call centers. Okay, you might be working in different non-IT industries, in different non-IT uh, areas. Now you want to transition your career into IT, that too with a very good technology which is having very good demand in the market now. We have that kind of people in the call today. And we also have people with long career breaks, like 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or 6 years after their studies. They might not started their employment. Okay, they might be into their family businesses, or they might have some personal issues. Now they want to restart their career in IT industry. We have people with that long career breaks are also in the call today. And we have people who already working in IT industry from last 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, you might be working already in IT in different technologies. You might be working as a DevOps engineer or AWS specialist or cybersecurity engineer or into Oracle database, or you might be into PeopleSoft, or you might be into manual testing, might be into mainframes already in IT industry, but you have problem with your current technology where you are working, right? Your technology might be saturated. There is no career progression that you seen in your current role, no salary packages advancements you've been observed in your current role. Now you want to start your career in one of the good technology that which will be suitable for your career advancement point of view. We have that people also in the call today, and we have women population who having a long breaks due to their maternity or marriages. Now they want to restart their career in IT industry. See team, typically, among all of you who are in the class today, you all come from these backgrounds. Every one of you will fit in one or the other criteria which I mentioned. Why we kept everyone in mute for today is, if I start taking up the questions now, your question might not be relevant to other background people. Your question might be creating confusion to them. They might be worried about what we discussing with respective to your background, because that is not applicable to them, right? So by keeping everyone interest in mind, we kept everyone in mute for today's session. At the end of the class today, a detailed Q&A round will be there, team. Please note down if you have any questions, so that at the end of the class, I will discuss with every one of you and I will close the session for today. But I can tell you one thing, maximum 70 to 80% of your questions, what you have in your mind at this point of time. Now the time is 8:13 a.m. August 19th. At this point of time, whatever the questions that you have in mind, what questions bothering you, I can tell you 70 to 80% of your questions I will be addressing through this class what you are attending today. By end of the class, maximum of your questions you will be getting answers. So I request everyone, please be on the mute and please be concentrated for next to 1 hour. Whatever I am explaining to you, please focus on that concepts what we discuss in team. Because I know typically what sort of questions people will be having before choosing their career in this technology. Because I started TrioTech in 2015. In this academy, in the last 11 years, I trained thousands of students in different technologies with respective to Oracle. So I always have a interaction with my candidates in this last 11 years. When I'm interacting with the students or their parents or their caretakers, when they come to office, when they having the counseling session, when they interacting with me, the most common questions that people will have, Kumar, first of all, what is this technology is about? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud means what? For what purpose this technology or application is there in the market? Who will use this technology for what purpose? Once we learn this program, where we will be recruited, what sort of companies will hire us, right? And what we will do over there. Or Kumar, am I eligible to learn this course? I am from this non-IT background with 5 years of sales experience, etc. Or what will be the salary packages in this technology? Do we have any recession impact in this domain or any AI impact in this domain? Freshers, do we have calls in the market, right? Next 15-20 years, what will be the scope for this technology once we learn this and if we join today? These are the questions you people generally will have in mind at this point of time, correct? So that's why I'll be explaining you or covering all these in this session only today. So if you attend this session completely, if you concentrate the session with more focus, all these questions will be addressed to you by end of the class team. On top of that also, if you have anything to discuss, we will have detailed Q&A round at the end of the session team. Okay. So why I kept in mute everyone is that one, right team? So let us quickly start the session for today. But before starting the session, one more announcement to every one of you in the call. See our admin team dropping a message in the chat button. So when you join this Zoom meeting, you are having the options audio, video, participants, chat button, right team? In the chat button, you will be getting a pop-up, right? Our admin team sharing the Google form link to fill the details. I request everyone, please take 30 seconds of your time, not more than that. Just 30 seconds of your time immediately and fill that Google form that which we share it to you. For the further process to proceed, these details are very important team. So I request everyone, please fill your Google form by clicking on the link in the chat button where our admin team sharing with you. So I request admin, please share the Google form link again in the chat button. Okay, right team. Now let me proceed with the session for today. Why we join today here, and before that, again I'm welcoming you for this today's session in TrioTech software training team. Today we are here to know how to land upon a high paying job. Today we are here to know how to land upon a high paying job even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. So here the best thing that you have to notice is zero coding, zero coding knowledge. See, many people in my entire experience with this trainings and all, whenever I used to interact with my students, the very first concern the students will raise will be, Kumar, I don't know any coding. I don't know any basic languages also. If you ask me, I don't know what is C language, C++ or SQL, Java, Python, nothing. I don't know any of these things. And I don't know for what purpose these languages will be used in the IT market. And I am hesitate towards coding. If you teach me also, I won't understand, Kumar. That is not my cup of soup. So tell me any technology in the market we have without coding to start. Yes, we have one such good technology in the market, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM means what, Kumar? HCM means Human Capital Management Cloud. Basically, this is a HR related software application available in the market. Redwood plus AI. These are the two advanced concepts in this technology. Our course name or the application name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Redwood and AI are the new concepts we got in this technology. Our training will be covering these two aspects also. That's why we kept here Redwood plus AI. When I say zero coding team, it's not minimal coding, moderate coding, nothing like that. Zero. It's a plain functional application. There is no place that you need to write any code in the system, any logic in the system, nothing. It's a completely zero coding application and with non-IT experiences. People from any background can learn this program. You might be from any educational background. There will be a myth in the IT industry. If the candidate comes from a BTech background, or if we come from a MCA background or MSc computer science background, then only companies will recruit the candidates. No, that bubble already blasted. Today, companies looking at your skill set, not your degrees. It's very clear, team. So, people from any background, you might be from a BA, BBA, BSc, BCom, MBA, MSc, not necessarily only BTech or only MCA or MSc computers. You can be from any background. You can able to learn this program. I'm not saying this statement just like that. We have many testimonials from our TrioTech Academy where people from different backgrounds started their career in IT with this technology team. Many students of mine, whoever learned in my alumni in 2016, 2017, whoever trained under me, today they are in top positions in many companies. Some are in director level positions also in this domain. So they will be coming for recruitment to TrioTech. Then they will ask me, Kumar, we want 10 candidates on these modules with this experience. Or Kumar, we are looking for 15 freshers on these modules, whoever trained under you. Something like that. So whenever I am interacting with them, whenever I am understanding the requirements from them, when I am speaking with the HRs of their companies, nowhere companies today looking at your qualification or a degree as a constraint. You require a degree. It could be anything. So companies looking for trained resources, not regular resources or a fresher. You should be trained fresher or you should be a trained candidate on this domain. They only looking the parameter in the interview, your knowledge in this subject, whether you could able to handle the things if you deployed in the project, right? These things only companies mainly looking at. So these are the two advantages we have in this technology where in other platforms or other tools in the IT, we don't have that thing. So it's a completely zero coding application and that too people from any non-IT backgrounds also can learn this program and they can start their career in IT team. So I told you this is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So basically for what purpose companies will be using this team? See, in every organization in the market, you take anything. You take Reliance, you take Tata, you take Amazon, Apple, Google, Adani, any company you take for your example team. In every organization, there will be employees who working in the company. And in every company, in order to manage employees, there will be HR department in every company. See, once you learn this program, once you apply in the Naukri or different job portals, who will be calling you? HR of the company will call you for recruiting you. Correct. So in the market, in every company, there will be HR department who will be handling the entire employees in the company. starting from their recruitment, their onboarding, their transfers, their promotions, their leaves every month, their salary processings every month, their performance appraisals, their benefits, their termination. From hiring an employee to retiring of an employee or terminating of an employee, HR people will be doing all these activities. In order to conduct all these HR activities in the company, every company requires a modular tech-based software applications, right? One such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Now, immediately, some of my students will get a question here. What, Kumar? This is a HR application. Means once we learn this technology from you, we will be hired as HRs in the company. No, no, Kumar. We don't want to start our jobs as HRs because HRs means we don't have good packages or something in the market like that. Don't get confused here. And many of you in the call today already working in HR backgrounds. Now you want to transition career into IT. Basically, confusion why people will have here is it's a HR related application. It doesn't mean that you are going to start as a HR in any company after this program thing. Okay. Okay. Once you learn this course, you will be working on this technology as a software engineers, consultants, analysts in the IT companies in the market team. You will not be working as HRs in any company. So please don't confuse here and don't come to the conclusion here. Okay. So this is HR related software application. So once you join this program, you will be recruited in all the IT companies in the market, Deloitte, Capgemini, Infosys, Techem, on this technology as a consultants. Okay. So this is about the basic intro of Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, right? Now, let me proceed with today's demo agenda, right, team? But before taking you through the agenda for today's session, let me introduce briefly about myself, who I am, what experience I have, and a brief intro about TrioTech also. Because when you're choosing a technology to learn for your career, you should also know about your trainer. What is his experience? What knowledge that he is having in the application, right? So whether he will be helping you in transforming your career or not. So you should know about myself as well. Many of you already know about me because prior attending the session today, you came to office, you interacted with our team members, and some of you might be looking at me in YouTube channels and all. But let me quickly walk through about my profile team. So as I told you, my name is Kumar. I am the founder and director of TrioTech Software Trainings Academy, and I am a Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 16 plus years of experience, in which 12 plus years into IT consulting team. So overall experience I have 16 years my employment experience. Out of that last 12 plus years I'm into this IT consulting, working closely on this Oracle technologies team. And in my experience, I worked for more than 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects covering multiple legislations. Coming to the clients that I worked for in this technology, they're from US, UK, Australia, Finland, UAE. So these are the regions that my clients are from, for which I worked on implementing and supporting this technology team. Now also, I'm working for one of the global client as a consultant, solution architect for a team of 24 resources where we implementing the client project phase by phase team. They have presence in 40 plus countries and we're implementing phase by phase the project implementation to them. And I'm also a corporate trainer who delivered 25 plus trainings to several companies team. So like we conduct trainings every month in TrioTech, we also conduct corporate trainings. Means companies will be conducting training sessions internally for their employees to upskill the employees in this technology. So I covered more than 25 plus trainings to several companies team. The list I will show you in the next slide. And I'm also a founder director for Triospace Overseas Consultancy, which is an educational abroad consultancy. People who planning for their masters after the graduation here. So to have their education in abroad, we also handle that services as well team. I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys and E&Y employee. And I started TrioTech in the year of 2015. And we train thousands of students in this technology in various batches team. More than 1,000 plus batches we completed so far across different Oracle Fusion domains. We train on HCM, financials, supply chain, then technical, OIC. We have bunch of courses that we have in TrioTech. So we have 40 plus instructors across different technologies in TrioTech team. And these are some of the corporate training partners. We have trained employees in DHL, Amway, then American Express, then Techem, then Kuwait Finance House, Trinocat, TPI Composites. So these are some of our corporate training partners. So we conducted trainings for the employees of these companies on this domain. And few of the companies recruited our candidates as well in their in-house IT departments team. And today also we have some of the participants join from Adani Group as well, uh, where they are already enrolled for the program. Like we have 6 to 7 participants today in the call who is from Adani Group who joined this program team. And coming to our YouTube channel. So we have 200K plus subscribers in our YouTube channel. We can say proudly that we are the world's largest Oracle Fusion training community. And our company also received silver button from YouTube as we reached the milestone of 200K plus subscribers in YouTube team. And this is my team. We are based out in Hyderabad. So here you can able to see our channel as well. Daily we will be uploading lot of videos with respective to this technology. So interview preparations, interview questions, then out of the box topics that what we generally won't cover in regular trainings. Okay. So you can also check out our YouTube channel for the placement testimonials of the students, success stories, or any topics related to this domain, right? Then our college visits, the seminars we conducted, the presence you can able to experience indirectly in the YouTube channel team. The name is TrioTech Software Trainings. You can just go to YouTube and you can type that. Okay. So this is about TrioTech Software Trainings team. And we also collaborated with couple of colleges for conducting trainings to them. So we conducted trainings recently in VVIT University for their internal students, the final year students who sitting for the placements team, right? So they have a requirement like few of the companies recruiting freshers in their college on this domain. So I visited there and I conducted workshop sessions and training sessions to them on this technology. And we have very good placement success turnout over there. Almost like 15 freshers have been recruited with a package of 11.5 lakhs. So this is college interviews team. Okay, for their college, they have a recruitment drive happened on this domain. So companies recruiting freshers also. This is a live example I can tell you. But you should be a trained fresher, whether it is a college placement or outside. If you have skill set in your resume, definitely companies will consider your profile team. Okay. So LTI Mindtree is the company who recruited candidates from this university for which we conducted trainings. So this is brief intro about myself and about TrioTech software trainings team. Now let me quickly walk through the today's agenda. What we are going to look at. First, I'll be starting with introduction to ERP because our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application comes under ERP category. So what is ERP? Why we have them? What all companies we have in the market? We will see here, team. And then I will talk about what is Oracle Fusion application is about and its evolution overview. Because when you learning any technology, try to know their background, their roots, from where they came up. When Oracle started or launched these applications into the market, prior to Oracle Fusion, what technologies we have in the market, that entire history or the background story, I will tell you here, team. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, in software industry, any application you take, whether it is Oracle, SAP, DevOps, AWS, cybersecurity, anything, typically three types of companies involved in the usability of that product. So here I will explain you who is called as vendor, who is called as client, who is implementation partner. Once we learn this program, in which companies we will be recruited, that all I will tell you here, team. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases, like in our mobile, how we will get updates to our software team. If you're using an Apple mobile, iOS updates you will get. Or if you're using Android mobile, Android updates you will get 7.1 to 8.2, 8.2 to 9.5. Fusion applications also will have the release versions team. So when Oracle started this technology, what is the version they came up with? Since then, how it got evolved. Today, 2026 August, what is the latest release that Oracle applications are? That all releases I will be talking here, team. And then I will explain you what are the modules in this technology, what we cover as part of this training program for 3 months duration, right? That I will explain you. Most of the people, when interacting with our team or with me, they will ask me this question also. Kumar, what is functional? What is technical, Kumar? My brother told me, learn Oracle HCM Techno Functional from Kumar sir, or learn technical from Kumar sir, something like that. Okay, what is technical? What is functional, Kumar? Here I will explain you that, team, and what is high demand currently in the market. That all I will talk here, and then I will be explaining you career opportunities in this domain, like what is the average salaries currently companies offering today, then what sort of roles you will be recruited. Entry level role is what, down the line next 15 years or 20 years where you can be see yourself in IT industry. The entire career scale I will be explaining you here, team. And also here I will be explaining you the role of AI impact in this domain or decision impact in this domain. And also people will have one question. Kumar, Oracle is better or SAP is better? Or Kumar, why not Workday? Why only Oracle you suggest? These questions also people will have. Here I will explain you that also. Why anyone should choose Oracle Fusion in 2026. That also I will tell you here, team. Then I will introduce to you Oracle Knowledge Repository. Anyhow, we will be providing our custom materials to you. On top of that, if you want to access Oracle University materials, how to go to the internet and how to get those access, that I will let you know here, team. Then few people will be asking me, Kumar, in SAP, certifications mandatorily they will tell to do. In Oracle also, the story will be same. We have to do certifications mandatorily or not. What is the cost of certification, where we have to go and apply, what is the mode of examination, what is the fee that we have to pay. First of all, whether it is required or not, that all we will cover here in certification process. And then team, I will conclude today's topic will why TrioTech, why anyone should choose TrioTech software trainings for learning Oracle HCM Cloud, and why Kumar as your trainer. That I will explain you here, team. So this is agenda for today. We will be going one by one very detailedly. So today, as we started the session also slightly delayed because other participants to be joined, we started a session slightly late. For today, as it is a demo, we have to cover detailedly all these things. Slightly session will be extended, team, for till 9:30 like that. Okay. For more 20-30 minutes session will be extended. So I request everyone, please be in the call till the end of the session. At the end of the session, there will be a discount announcement as well, kind of registration, enrollment details, the timings of this program, because from tomorrow we are going to start our regular classes. So this entire schedule I will be letting you know at the end of the session, team. So I request everyone, please be concentrate from now onwards. Put aside your mobiles if you are scrolling your Instagram or Facebook. Just concentrate for next 1 hour what I am explaining you here. Then only you will get maximum details about this program, team. First of all, we'll start with introduction to ERP. But even before that, team, who is eligible to learn this program? Your first question answer is here. For whom this course is for? If you are in your final year of your degree, okay, you are in your final year of your degree. Now you want to learn a very good technology. By the time you pass out from the college, you want to start your career without any delay. You are eligible to learn any degree, no matter what it is. Or if you have just completed your graduation and don't know what to do. Recently, in 2026, in the month of April, May, June, you completed your studies. You came out of a college as a fresher. Now you want to start your career in IT. Then you are eligible to learn this program. If you want to get a high paying job, moving out of your current non IT job, you are eligible to learn. If you are from a non IT background, you are eligible to learn. And if you are targeting for a package of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, I'm not telling you today, okay, in next 4 to 5 years, because in this technology we have that potential to earn. People with an experience range of 4 to 5 years or 6 years, if the candidate is highly knowledgeable, companies paying the salaries of 25 to 45 plus LPA also. 25 to 45 lakhs per year packages also companies paying. There are many candidates from our institute only who are working in this level of packages, team. So if you are targeting for a package range of that in the next 4-5 years, then this is absolutely suitable for you. One statement, people from any degree, any background. So as I told you, there will be no prerequisites to learn this technology, team. In market, if you want to learn DevOps, you have to learn prior some technical tools to understand that DevOps, team, or any other technology in the market, not only DevOps. But Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is something you no need to have any prerequisites to learn. No SQL, no Java, no Python, nothing. It's a completely zero coding application. Just attend 3 months of training with TrioTech and you can able to clear the interview and get the job. So if you fall in any of these criteria, then absolutely this is suitable to you. Right, team? Then introduction to ERP. What is ERP in the market? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Basically, team, ERP is a concept or a category we have in the market. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, reporting, manufacturing, and human resource activities. Means what, team? See, any company you take as an example, as I told you, Tata, Reliance, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, anything. In every company, there will be different business processes involved. In every company, there will be a HR department. In every company, there will be finance department, supply chain department, procurement department, then sales department, marketing department. In every company, there will be different processes involved, different departments involved. In order to conduct their day-to-day business operations, every company requires a modular tech-based software applications team. For example, we will talk about human resources because our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So what our tool will be doing, team, in any company, in order to handle the day-to-day HR activities, starting from recruiting, onboarding, their salaries, their employee management, their leave management, their performance appraisals, in order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities, every company require a modular tech-based HR software system team, right? So you can ask me, Kumar, traditionally how companies did all these things before IT, everything manual. They used to maintain the books, how many employees are working every day, who is present, who is absent. They used to manually take the attendance in the notebook or absence book, or every month salaries they used to pay through cash and they used to write down in the accounts book for whom how much amount paid. But with the technology intervention into the market, with the IT intervention to the market team, we have many tech-based software applications came up in the market. Okay, one such software owned by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. Our technology is Oracle Fusion HCM, but there are other tools in Oracle Fusion. We have Fusion Financials, Fusion Supply Chain, Fusion Procurement. So in order to conduct all these business operations, every company will use it modular tech-based software applications team. So ERP is a category, is a family. Under that, many companies provides different products of them. Oracle offering Oracle Fusion application. We have SAP, we have Salesforce, we have Workday, we have Blackboard, Northgate, Pegasus, and our very Indian own ERP, which became very popular recently, Zoho. So these all are the different ERP applications in the market. These are enterprise solutions team, basically. For your reference purpose, I kept all of them. But we are learning one among them offered by Oracle Corporation, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application Team. So what is HCM means? As I already told you, in every company, these all are the HR activities, attracting the talent, then hiring them, onboarding them, setting the goals, their performance checking, their compensation, their leave management, their talent reviews, their time recording, pay and benefits, then terminating, hire to retire cycle team. So in order to conduct these day-to-day HR activities in any company, this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud will be used, right? So this is about team introduction to ERP and what is Oracle HCM Cloud is about, for what purpose companies will be using. Now the most important slide, everyone should 100% know about this. What is that team? Oracle Fusion Evolution Path. Oracle Fusion Evolution Path. The background or the history of the Fusion applications team. See, prior to 2006, let's go back to history. Prior to 2006, all these are the existing ERP applications in the market. Oracle's own ERP was Oracle e-business suite. PeopleSoft, we have owned by PeopleSoft Corporation. JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards. Then Siebel owned by Siebel Corporation team. Prior to 2006, these are the different individual ERP products available in the market owned by different companies. But the problem during that time was none of the applications in the market are very good or matured in all the business areas team. For example, you take Oracle's e-business suite. Oracle EBS is very good at financials business area. Okay. Oracle EBS is very good at financials business area. PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our HR business area. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials team. Siebel is very good at CRM. Hyperion is good at reporting. But none of the applications during that time are very stable or matured in all the business areas. There was a gap during that time. So what Oracle did in the year 2006, in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these products in the market. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft, Oracle acquired JD Edwards, Siebel, Hyperion, all the existing top ERP products Oracle acquired. One of the world's biggest acquisition during that time in 2006. And what Oracle did team? Oracle taken best knowledge of financials from e-business suite, HRMS knowledge from PeopleSoft, procurement knowledge from JD Edwards, CRM knowledge from Siebel. And what Oracle did, you know? They developed a new age cloud-based sophisticated applications. They are Oracle Fusion Cloud applications team. In 2006, they acquired all these companies. In 2011, Oracle announced to the open world this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications team. So our history is like this. In 2011, Oracle introduced Oracle Fusion applications in the market. Now immediately here, some of you might be getting a doubt. Kumar, we are in 2026. You are telling Oracle Fusion applications came in the market in 2011. 15 years old application you were teaching us today. Do we have really demand for this application? Common question, right? It's not like that thing. In 2011, Oracle introduced the beta version. It announced it, but not materialized in the market. Actual market for Oracle Fusion application started in the year of 2016, 2017 onwards only. It took 5-6 years for penetrating the product into the market to get the customer adoption in the market. Because if you start a company today, Just in within 6 months, 1 year, you will get success. Your product or service will be known to everyone in the market. No, it will take more time, 5 years, 6 years, the kind of consistency. Then you developing the product, service, then you will be grabbing the market. Same with Oracle also team. In 2011, they announced this application, but the actual market started from 2016, 2017, and 2018 onwards only. And the biggest advantage Oracle having here is team. These are the top-notch ERP products in the market. E-Business Suite of Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. What Oracle doing team? Oracle insisting all the existing customers who using their products to migrate to Fusion, upgrade to Fusion, and they are informing them they are going to stop the support for them by 2035 or by 2040, not more than that. Already, new selling of these products Oracle stopped. Only support for their existing customers Oracle giving for these things. And Oracle insisting them to migrate to Fusion because Fusion will be the future in ERP segment by Oracle. They want to they want to put Fusion applications in the top of the ERP market team. So that's the reason the demand for Oracle Fusion applications suddenly spiked because all the existing customers migrating to Fusion. Huge customer base Oracle have. More than 14,000 plus companies across the world today using Fusion application, right? That's what the biggest advantage team. Sudden spike in the demand of Oracle Fusion by companies we have seen. But the market is not ready with the consultants who work on this technology. There is a huge vacuum today we have in the people who working in this domain. Companies rapidly adopting it, and mostly the pricing Oracle charging also compared to other technologies, whoever is the other ERPs we have, SAP, Workday or something, pricing wise also it's more economical team. So many companies today migrating to Oracle Fusion, but the resources who working in this domain, we have scarcity. That's the reason today many companies offering 100%, 150% hikes when people switching from one company to another company. We have candidates who working with 7 lakhs package with 2 years or 3 years of experience. Suddenly company offering 18 lakhs and 20 lakhs and they're recruiting them. That kind of vacuum we have in the market today for this domain team. So if you could able to rightly learn this program and if you portray this skill set in your resume, definitely you will be recruiting in IT companies. That sort of demand is their team. If you drop the profile in the Naukri today, okay, at least 7 to 10 calls in a week we've been seeing team because I personally follow up the candidates who sitting in the office and who preparing, right? So we've been seeing that kind of demand today in this technology. So this is the background or the history of the Fusion application. No one will tell you. But for myself, my approach will be every student, when they're learning the technology, they should know the fundamentals or the basics of that, the grassroots of that. That's the reason I covered this to you. Next team, next team. We were learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, HCM Cloud. But under Fusion applications, Oracle offering different other products also. For finance activities to handle, Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud we have. We have Mr. Abhishek who will be training on this in our academy. Then we have Oracle Fusion Supply Chain for operations related. Then for sales, Oracle Fusion CRM Cloud, Oracle Fusion Procurement Cloud, Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio Management Cloud. Like we have team different products Oracle offering under Fusion banner. But we learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. See team, some of you also having the question here. Kumar, I came from a particular background. So tell me whether I have to learn supply chain or I have to learn financials like that. See, everything is good. One statement I can tell you. But in every technology, there will be one product which will become more successful and more popular, more demanded team. For example, if you take our automobiles, let's say you take Hyundai company. There are many cars in Hyundai company. You have i10, we have i20, we have Creta, we have Alcazar, we have many things. But Hyundai Creta is a top segment we have in the entire Hyundai company. The kind of sales they have, the success they have, right? Every car might not be a successful product to them. One will become more famous and more popular, right? Same with Oracle Fusion also. We have HCM, we have financials, we have supply chain, we have CRM, different applications Oracle offering under Fusion. But HCM is one top product among them, which became more successful, more popular, and many companies today offering, opting Oracle Fusion HCM team. So in with respective to the calls that you will be receiving when you applying for the jobs or with respective to the salary offerings companies offering here team, and also from the point of learning also, Oracle HCM will be the best choice for anyone to choose team, right? After HCM only finance or supply chain will come into the picture. HCM, the best part is anyone from any background can understand. But Fusion Financials, only the finance background people can easily grab that. Not everyone can able to handle. Same with other options also. But HCM is something anyone from any background, they can just blindly come, sit in my class and they can understand team. So I suggest for everyone choosing a career in this technology, 100% HCM will be the best choice to your team. So this is just for your reference purpose. I have shared this. What are the different other products we have under Fusion applications? Okay. Next, what we have team? Next, we have types of companies involved. This is also very important knowledge everyone should have, particularly fresher people and non-IT people team. So as I told you, today's session will be slightly extended for more 20-30 minutes. So please focus team. Okay. Typically, in any software application in the market, three types of companies will be involved. Service provider, client or customer, consulting company. Service provider company means company who selling the product. In our example, Oracle Corporation. Oracle is the owner of this technology. Service provider company is this one team, Oracle. Then we have client or customer. See, I'm using the word client from last 20-30 minutes team. And whenever you interacting with someone who working in IT, for example, your brother is working in IT or your friend is working, your uncle is working, whenever you interacting with them, they usually mention, hey, my client is very tough. It's very difficult to handle them. The timings are very tough for us. Or my client is very liberal. Today, what happened in the client meeting, something like that. Client, you will hear. What do you mean by client or customer team? Company who purchasing the product in order to use in their day-to-day activities, that is called as client or customer company team. That is called as client or customer. For example, you take Reliance Industries is there because every one of us familiar with that, right? I'm taking this example. Let's say today Reliance company decided to purchase Oracle Fusion HCM from Oracle because they want to use that in their day-to-day HR activities team. So Reliance is the client or the customer company, the company who purchasing the product from Oracle and using in their day-to-day activities team. This is called as client or customer company. This is service provider. Okay, Reliance bought the product from Oracle. But when Reliance bought the product from Oracle, application will be delivered with all the standard functionalities. Now, Reliance want someone help to configure the application according to their requirement team. They're all data to be configured in that system. According to them, the application to be customized, all the functionalities to be configured. So what Reliance will do, Reliance will approach consulting companies in the market. Consulting companies means what? Companies who implement the product for the client requirement. So-called software companies in the market. Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Capgemini, Accenture, etc. team. So let's take up example Deloitte. So what Reliance did team? Reliance given the project to Deloitte. Now Deloitte coming to configure the system or application according to Reliance requirement team. Once you people learn this course, you will be working in these consulting companies in the market, so-called software companies team. When your company get the project from the client, you will be deployed for that client project and we people will be configuring the application according to their requirement. Our 3 months of training will be that only. Once you join any company, once you people are in the project, what exactly you will do in the project, how you will implement the application, how you will configure the data in the client system, that will be covered in our training team. So this is very important understanding for every one of you in the call today. Who is client, who is consulting company, and what we are going to do for the client implementation. So this is about team, types of companies involved in this technology. Now I will talk about Fusion application environment release. Okay. Now focus on my spreadsheet here, team. I'll talk about Fusion applications environment release. See, in 2011, I told you Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market. Correct. When they introduced the Fusion application, the version they came up is R1, release 1 team. Since then, it got evolved, and today the latest version of the Fusion application is R13. R13. This is also very important thing everyone should know, team. In 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications team, they introduced it with the release version of R1. And now the latest version of the Fusion application is R13 team. Like our softwares in the mobile, or how our Windows laptop from Windows 8 to Windows 9, Windows 9 to Windows 11, when the software upgrades, what happens, team? Every time new look and feel you can experience, some new functionality wise advancements you can see, some new features being introduced you will be seeing. Same with Oracle Fusion applications also. So from R1, year by year it got upgraded. Now the version is R13. Actually, by 2017 end and early 2018 only, we reached the version of R13. Oracle made R13 as a static version for the Fusion applications team. So anyone ask you in which version that you are working, you can tell R13 because people who purchased the product from Oracle during release 1 to release 10, Oracle offered the Fusion application both in on-premise model and cloud model. So during this releases from R1 to R10, whoever the companies bought Oracle Fusion applications, Oracle delivered the application both in on-premise and cloud. But from R11 onwards team, Oracle stopped on-premise. Now completely Fusion applications are offered only on cloud-based technology only. On-premise means what team here? Whenever any company buying the product from Oracle, they used to buy the server from Oracle. They used to install that server in their office premises team. On-premise means that one. You have to buy along with the product server also from Oracle and used to install, in your office premises, and companies used to maintain that by themselves. For that, they used to have database administrator, network engineers, server associates, server engineers, data administrator, security specialist, lot of things they used to do team. But what Oracle did, Oracle stopped on-premise model. Now completely Oracle offering Fusion applications only on a cloud-based deployment team. So today, any company reached Oracle, if they want to buy Oracle Fusion HCM to use in their day-to-day HR activities, Oracle Fusion HCM applications are offered completely on a cloud. Cloud means what team? A software that is hosted over the internet. So just this is the application. This is our Fusion application team. Just take the URL, go to your Google, Firefox, any Internet Explorer, any of your search engines. Okay, just type that team, just in the form of URL. This is a web link. If you enter it, okay, if you enter it, you will be able to log in into the Fusion system. So it will ask you for sign in and password here. So this is the main login screen. Okay. So if I put my user ID and password team, and if I click on sign in, I will be able to enter the Fusion application. See now? Yes. So this is our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. The look and feel of the application will be like this team. Did I install this application anywhere in my laptop? Did I run any program in my laptop? Did I install anything? Nothing. Just in front of you, I came to my Google browser. Just I copy pasted this URL. System asked me user ID and password, like our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or our Google Gmail. How we will be logging them? Just we will go to Google. We will type facebook.com, or we will go to Google. We will type it as instagram.com, and user ID password. If you give, you can access that tool. Cloud-based technology means that one only team. Software that is hosted over the internet. So you can sit anywhere in the world, just a basic laptop, an i3 laptop with good internet connection. If you have, you can able to start working in Fusion applications team. So from release 11 onwards, whoever the client purchasing Fusion system, completely Oracle offering them on a cloud-based deployment model team. And Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team. This is very important point from your interviews point of view also. Very basic knowledge as soon as you enter the projects after you getting a job in next 3-4 months. This knowledge is very predominantly required here. What is that? Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy team. Kumar, what do you mean by quarterly upgradation policy? See, let us see first of all what is the current version of the Fusion system. Then I will let you know what is that. So now I opened the application. Today is August 19th, Wednesday. As of today, what is the latest version of the Fusion system we will see. So generally, if you come tomorrow, I will introduce to you team how to log in, what are these options, what are these icons, the basic intro of the system. That all I will take up tomorrow. So generally, if you come here, we have settings and action. If you go to bottom about this application team, here you will be understanding what is the version of the Fusion system team. So Kumar, you told R13, no? The version is, yes, it's R13 only. See here everywhere. Application Development Framework, REL 13. middleware extension REL 13, database compatibility REL 13. So now the Fusion version is, as of today, August 19th, okay, it's release 13.26c. Okay. So what Oracle doing is every year we have 4 quarters team. Quarter means 3 months in financial terminology. January to March is first quarter. Okay. January to March is first quarter. Then April to June is second quarter. Then July to September is third quarter. Then October to December is fourth quarter. So Oracle segregated the entire year into these quarters, 4 quarters team. And they named each quarter as A, B, C, D, alphabets, A, B, C, D team. Okay. So 4 quarters they segregated into A, B, C, D. Now it's R1326C. Now we are in this quarterly upgrade. 26 means the year 2026. C means the current quarter that we are in team, the current quarter. So now the latest version of the Fusion application is 26C. So in this year, we are in which month team? August month. July, August, September. So we are in this quarter of this year. So the latest version of the application is 26C. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application team. See, every time Oracle will come up with new functionalities in the system. See, ultimately, to be in the competition in the market, to be always top in the market, every time we have to advance ourselves, right? So Oracle also doing same. Oracle investing a lot in their research and development team. So every time to bring new enhancements in the system, to upgrade their application with the latest demand in the market, Oracle provides upgradation to their application team. It is software. Yearly 4 times it will upgrade their software. Every three months once. Every time when they are upgrading, they come up with new enhancements in the system. Phenomenal changes we no need to expect here. Incremental changes we can expect in few cosmetic level functionalities and all Oracle will improve. And if any bugs that reported by the customers in the last upgrade, any errors that they have noticed something, they will fix that thing. So in every three months, these things Oracle will do. New enhancements they will bring. Any bugs are there, they will get fixes to them like that. And the numbering it will follow like this team. Now we are in 26C release. Next, when we reach October team, August, September, and October, the version will go to 26D. Last it was 26B. Okay, then it was 26A. Next year team, the sequence will go like 27A, 27B, 27C, and 27D. Okay, so every year 4 upgrades, and the versioning Oracle will follow like this team. So recently only the application upgraded to 26C as we entered this quarter team. In the July month, we got this upgrade. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application. So I hope everyone filled your Google form team. Again, team sharing the Google form. People who yet to fill that form, please fill that Google form team. It's very important. So yearly, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the system. When we are in the projects, when we work in the real time, during this upgradation, we have certain activities to perform, but they are too early to learn today. We will be conducting some workshop sessions to you. So here team. So in real time, how the implementation will happen. First of all, I will cover what type of projects will be there in real time. Implementation means what, support means what, testing project means what. So if it is an implementation project, what activities you will do starting from project management plan, kickoff meeting. Okay. kickoff meeting, then as is study, to be study, then CRP1, CRP2, then KUT phase, UAT phase, then test scripts preparation, then post production, go live. End to end, we have different phases we will be going through. And each phase, what documents we will prepare. Here RD50, BP80, then CV10, then solution design MD50, then BR100, then test scripts TE40, then DO70 user manual. I will be conducting workshop sessions team because I know many of you in the call, though it's recording, I'm telling, uh, people will try to manipulate their experiences and they will apply for your jobs. Like you will portray 3 years or 4 years experiences and you will be applying for your job. During that time, you just trained here. You haven't worked really in the projects. But how you will be getting that knowledge team? Because you are portraying in the resume, you are having 3 years or 4 years experience in this domain. To give you that realistic experience, this workshop sessions will be conducted during your placement activities. During that time, exactly in the real time, the role play we are going to show you how the project will start. Project manager means who, how many people in the project will be, what will be the time frame for the project, on-site means what, offshore means what, how many resources will work in client place, how many people will work from offshore, then how the project will exactly start. Okay, starting from project management plan, all the phases I'm going to explain you. And same way, support project if you are into what type of ticketing tools that your companies will be used, how your manager will assign tickets to you every day, what will be the status of them, severities of them, L1 means what to, L2 means what to, what. So these all I'm going to take up. During this time, I'm going to explain you these activities team. Every three months, when Oracle upgrading their application team, every three months when Oracle upgrading the application team, what activities that we will be doing in the project. We have something called pre-upgrade testing, post-upgrade testing. We call it as regression testing, sanitary checks, then impact analysis, document preparation. We have certain activities to perform that we will take up later on in our workshops of implementation and support projects overview team. But as of today, at this initial time, I want every one of you to be knowing yearly how many times Oracle upgrading the Fusion application and how the release versioning Oracle followed team. Then Kumar, what is this Kumar 11.13.26.07? What is this code here we are seeing? No, what is this Kumar? 26 is 2026. C means quarter. 11 means the year 2011 team. I told you Fusion application Oracle started in the year of 2011. Correct? 11 stands for 2011. 13 stands for release 13. The version R13 we made static. 26 stands for the current financial year we are in, 2026. And then 07. We are in third quarterly upgrade now. In third quarterly upgrade, first month is July. July means what team? 07. So 0 is static for everything. Next, what we will see, if anyone want, you can take a screenshot of it. Next October month when we reach, application will upgrade to 26D, 11.13.26.10. Because in last upgrade, for fourth quarter, first month is October. October means 10th month team. So it will take up as a 10.0. So this is what the versioning that Oracle will follow team. So quarterly upgradation policy is this one. Now, let me introduce to you the next important thing that everyone should know. What are the modules we have in this technology team? So what is our course name? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Okay, this is our technology name, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So now in this Oracle HCM Cloud, What are the modules we have in the system team? We have different modules available in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Let us understand about that. Very important. Here only I will tell you what comes under functional, what comes under technical. We have the modules like team, core HR or global HR. Then we have, first let me list it out what all we have in this subject. Okay, in this technology. We have absence management. Then we have payroll management team. Okay. Then we have talent management. Okay. Here only we have sub-modules team, profile management, goal management, then performance management, then talent review, succession management, couple of concepts we have here team. Then we have compensation and benefits module. These two are two different modules, but we call them together generally. Then we have OTL module. Then we have ORC module, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have team help desk or safety or HCM communicate. Some advanced, less popular modules also we have in the system team. Okay. So these are the modules we have in the Fusion application team. These are the modules we have in the Fusion application team. A part of these modules, we have few more things also in the system team which we have to talk about. The other modules we have like security administration. Okay. Then we have workflows. Okay. And approvals. Then we have customizations and personalizations. Okay. So here we have the tools like a Sandbox, HCM Design Studio. Then our latest Redwood screens, we have Visual Builder Studio team, Visual Builder Studio. Okay. Components like this we have for other customizations and all. Then we have inbound integrations. Inbound integrations. So here we have the tools like HCM data loader. In short, we call it as HDL. Then we have a spreadsheet data loader. Okay. Spreadsheet data loader. Then we have outbound integrations team. Outbound integrations like reports, BI reports, OTBI reports, then HCM extracts like that. And then the most important component, fast formulas. Okay. In the entire Fusion system, these are the total concepts we have in the application team. Okay. Kumar, here what comes under functional, what comes under technical means these all modules in the system will come under functional team. And these components will come under technical. So this is what thing, functional and technical components in the Fusion system. If you ask me personally, security, workflows, customizations are also part of functional only, I will tell. But generally in the market today, many training institutes, in order to have a technical curriculum separately, these components, they move to technical side. But as per Oracle, if you ask me, these three are also part of functional only team. But as we have to go with the market, I also segregated technical for these concepts here. Okay. So this is what functional and this is what technical team. So in Core HR module, we are going to configure our clients' organizations, their work structures, and entire employee management will handle in Core HR module team. Then in absence module, entire leave management, different types of leaves providing to their employees, then employees, how they apply the leave, how that will transform to payroll. that we will configure in absence module. Then payroll module, entire salary processings of the employee every month, how to pay, that all we will handle in payroll management team. Then we have talent management in the system. Here we will be talking about the goals, performance appraisals of the employee, that all in talent module. Then we have compensation module. Like in payroll, how we pay salaries. Here only we have any bonus to pay to the employee, any overtime you want to pay to the employee, any stocks or shares allocations you want to do to the employees. Compensation module will be doing. In benefits module team, in the countries like US and all, employees will be enrolling with different insurance plans and all. So that will be handled in the benefits module. Then OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. In every company, attendance recording is very important. Every day, punch in, punch out, biometric, swipe in, swipe out, the timesheet. Employee attendance tracking will be handled in OTL module team. Then we have ORC module, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Okay, ORC. So here we will be handling the entire recruitment activities like job postings, then conducting the interviews, then releasing the offer letters, onboarding the employees. Everything will handle in ORC module. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud team. So if company want to conduct any trainings to their employees team, internal learning portal they have, that we have OLC module. Then internally, if you want to set up any communication channel among all the employees team, we have HCM Communicate and Help Desk modules available. Then security, we have the entire user account management. So generally, whenever any employee hired in the company, when their record created, it's a HR portal for them, right? So for every employee, the user accounts will be created. So in security module team, we will be talking about that user account management, access management in the Fusion system. Then we have workflows and approval. So in every module, when client using the system, for several transactions, they can trigger for an approval team. For example, your client asking, Kumar, in my system, whenever any HR hire an employee, it should go for concern manager approval. Or Kumar, whenever any employee apply the leave in the system, it should go for manager approval. So we have team, something like workflows and approvals module to handle that. Then we have customizations and personalization team. For example, if you see client saying that Kumar, here in the place of vision, I want my company logo coming, or this background color from blue color, I want to change it to white color, or these themes I want to change, or Kumar, when I go to any screen in the system, okay, for example, I'm going to some screen here team, hire an employee screen I came. Kumar, here I want some other renaming of section should be done, or Kumar, I want to realign this components from here to here. Okay, something, or I want to make any field star marked mandatory. So any customizations in the system, if you want to do, we have a module called customizations and personalization team. Through Sandbox, through Design Studio, we can do. So we have Redwood, the latest concept came team. If you want to customize the Redwood screens, we have Visual Builder Studio. So that entire customizations we will handle here. Then we have inbound integrations team, data loaders. Any data that we want to bulk upload into the Fusion system, we have HDL and spreadsheet data loaders available. Then any reports you want to extract from the system. Let's say today client asking Kumar, I want to get a report in Hyderabad location, how many people working in sales department. Or Kumar, in the last 3 months, how many employees applied sick leave? I want to get a report. So anything, if you want to extract from the Fusion system, we call it as outbounding of data. So we have 3 reporting tools Oracle given here team, BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extract like that. Then we have fast formula. In payroll, in absence, in OTL modules team, or in compensation or benefits module, in order to maintain some logics, in order to maintain some validations, we have a component Oracle given called fast formulas team. So these are the entire concepts we have in HCM Cloud, nothing left out. Now the most important thing is what we will be covering in this program. So in this program, our training will be techno-functional training team. Techno-functional HCM training. Okay. Both technical and functional will be covered. From functional, we will be covering core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and compensation team. So some external videos on compensation also will be sharing. 5 modules from functional will be covered. From technical, security, workflows, customization and personalization, even visual builder also, inbound integrations, outbound integrations, fast formula. So these will be covered as part of our training. See, none of the consultants in the market who working in this technology will have knowledge on all the things. To be frank, the curriculum what I am covering itself is extra. To be frank, these many components really not required to keep in the resume, and no one will work on all the aspects team. At least 3 or 4 modules from functional, 3 4 concepts from technical if you prepare also sufficient. But that I will tell you when we starting our placement sessions. Okay, whenever I'm going to conduct the sessions on resume preparation, then I will tell you what are the main important modules you have to focus on team. So we have other modules also, ORC, OTL, OLC, but we are not covering them in this curriculum because to cover these things only 3 months is a very tight schedule. So the bandwidth will not be sufficient and not required also team. On job, once you join on the requiremental basis, you can explore them. But these things are really important and mandatory for anyone to learn team. So these modules, whatever we highlighted in bold, will be covered as part of our training. Now, some of you might have a question. Kumar, any prerequisites to learn for this program, Kumar? See, as I told you, it's completely zero coding application team. But in BIP reports, in outbound integration, only in the BIP reports, we require SQL knowledge. That too, the select statements, how to write team. But if you don't know SQL, don't take the risk of learning now. It's not relevant or important at this point. Only in BA reports we have that team. We will exclude that in the resume. Simple. So remaining components we will keep, right? So that it become technical free. It become, I mean to say, coding free. So only BA reports we have SQL requirement team. So that concept you can skip in the resume. You can mention that you haven't worked on BIP reports. That's fair enough. But people who know SQL already, no problem. Anyhow, BA reports we will be covering. You can able to keep that as well, team. So this is entire curriculum that we are going to cover. Now, let us talk about the roles in the market currently, team. So here also people have confusion. Kumar, my brother or my friend who working in IT industry in this domain told me, just you learn technical only. Because in Fusion system team, core technical aspects are only these two, inbound and outbound team, core technical aspects. By learning only these two, you will not get the job. The more skill set you mention in the resume, the more chances of getting the call schedule will be their team. So even today in the market, functional consultants are separately recruiting by the companies. Okay. And technical consultants separately recruiting by the companies, and the most demanded cakewalk, techno-functional consultants. The highly demanded role today is consultant. Yes, even today, companies recruiting the candidates purely on a functional. If you learn 3 or 4 modules from here and if you drop, companies recruiting. Only technical aspects if you learn, companies recruiting. But compared to these two, techno-functional will have high demand. High demand. If you and your friend applying in the Naukri, Your friend is a techno-functional consultant who knows both the knowledge, and you dropped it as a only functional or only technical team. First, he will get the call. After that, only you will get the call team. So earlier days, we also conduct training separately team, functional, technical. But today, market looking for techno-functional resources. In Fusion, unlike Oracle e-business soup, technical scope is minimal. Functional consultant only handling the technical work also. So I suggest every one of you in 2026, you choose techno-functional resources only, techno-functional consultant training only. Only functional, only technical, don't concentrate. For example, in a project, if 10 resources are working, 7 to 8 will be functional consultants. Only 2 to 3 will be technical consultants team. That's the weightage we have. So learn techno-functional. If anyone tell only two topics, if you learn sufficient, only learn technical, that's really not going to work. Please take it very importantly, this is team. You have to learn techno-functional at any cost. This is the high demanded role currently in the market, companies recruiting the candidates team. So this is about the modules we have in our technology and what we will be covering in this training program. And then team, why anyone should learn Oracle Fusion in 2026? Why not other technologies in the market like the other competitors you can mention like SAP, Workday or some other things team? See, as per the Gartner Quadrant Research Report, this is a consulting research firm based out in US. Generally, they are into research and analysis of IT products in the market team. When any company want to buy any particular software, this Gartner company will be helping out to them to choose the right application for their business need. And they do researches every year and they will publish their papers team. So as per that Gartner Quadrant Research Report, okay, which is an authentic uh, company based out in US or across the world, many companies will follow, saying that in the last 3 years consecutively, Oracle Fusion Cloud is the top in the table in the leader segment team. After that only Microsoft Dynamics or SAP Cloud or Oracle NetSuite, the other application of Oracle also we have NetSuite or Epicor, any other applications are coming team. So today, many companies in the market for ease of handling the application on a cloud-based model, budget-friendly, economy-wise pricing, many companies today migrating to Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications as their HR tool. So last 3 years consecutively, Oracle crossed SAP or crossed Workday or any other ERPs and been on the top of the table team. So that many companies opting Oracle Fusion application. So the demand eventually for the candidates also will be very high. The recruitments will be happening very high team. That is one of the reason that you should choose Oracle HCM Cloud as your career in 2026. And coming to the salary packages currently companies offering in this domain team. Freshers, an average CTC of 3 lakhs per annum to 6 lakhs per annum companies offering. Directly, companies will be reaching out TrioTech also for recruiting the candidates team. We have companies like DriveStream, Apps Associate, then we have Evosis, Mastech, then we have App IT Solutions, we have B-Trians, we have Avalon Software, okay, Sunera Tech. These companies recruited directly the candidates from TrioTech, where they offered a package range of 3 to 6 lakhs per annum for freshers team, trained fresher. Then experienced professionals with 4 to 5 years experience, companies offering 15 to 25 LPA, and experienced with more than 5 to 10 years or less than 10, 25 to 50 LPS also companies offering. So this is accurate figures, not exaggerated. Go to Naukri, type out this keyword and check out what salary ranges companies offering today. So these are the average salary packages companies offering team. So many of our students with this relevant experiences get placed with these placements. You can also find our testimonials in our Instagram and YouTube channel, which we publish it team. So this is the average salary packages in this domain today companies offering. Then what will be your career opportunities and growth? This will be your career ladder team. Once you complete the program with TrioTech, once you join any company as a fresher at an entry level, you will be recruited with a designation like associate or analyst. And then team, you will be promoted to consultant. Then you will be promoted to senior consultant, principal consultant, project manager, delivery lead, delivery manager, IT director, and the so-called top positions like CEO, president, or vice president. The career graph for next 15-20 years. Now you have to decide at which level you will be in the market. I'm not saying everyone will reach out to the position of directors or CEO, but in this technology, we have that potential growth we have. Where you are going to stop purely depends upon your hard work and your probability in the company team. But this is what the designations or the career graph who working in this domain will be there. And the best part, in many companies today, the top level management, the tier one management, the CEOs, CFOs, directors, or presidents, they all will be coming from ERP backgrounds only team, right? So if you could able to prove yourself, the potential to attain higher heights in the companies will be done through this technologies team. And many of you will be bothering about this concept also today. Everywhere, it's a buzzword. Starting from training institutes, when we open an Instagram, everywhere, learn AI, something. Or from starting from a politician to the business people, everyone talking about AI coming up, huge innovation in AI, many companies laying off. In fact, Oracle also laid off the employees recently to invest in AI like that. So the question is AI replacing HCM consultant jobs or not? Absolutely no. So already many videos I have shared on this in our YouTube channel as well. You can follow that. See, every technology will not get impacted with AI. Mostly the consulting technologies. Here, we are not developing a product. We are not designing the product. Already the application designed and delivered by Oracle. We are just configuring the system according to the requirement here. Wherever code involvement is there, wherever logic involvement is there, there the automations will be coming up and AI will be replacing those jobs. But in consulting jobs team, we will not have any impact because client to client, the requirements will be different. More customized requirements will be there. That solutioning we have to be bringing up and we have to configure. So AI cannot sit in the client meeting and AI cannot talk with the client and they cannot give up a solution to the client. So here in this domain, we don't have any impact of losing the jobs. In fact, we are already using AI concepts in our HCM Cloud from last 3-4 years. We have AI agents Oracle brings in for convenience of handling the application team in payroll module, in absence module, in talent module. We are already using it. So we don't have an impact of employment side. AI is going to remove our jobs. Already we are using AI concept in the Fusion system team. And in this training, we are also going to cover that aspects as well. how the AI is being used in this technology. So no need to get worried about AI replacing the job. And Oracle layoffs. Yes, Oracle laid off some 5,000 or 10,000 people in US. They're investing in AI. So they removed them. There are different products. Hundreds of products are there in Oracle team. Oracle DBA, Oracle Apex, many tools Oracle having. But the layoffs happen within Oracle system, Oracle company in the development side. But once you learn this technology, you will not work in Oracle. Nah? Will you work in Oracle only? No. You will work in all IT companies in the market who do projects in this domain. So internally what happening is not bothered for us. How this technology is there in the market, how many companies using this technology as their HR software, that should bother you. Because some people getting confused here and been asking me as well, Kumar, what is this layoff? Will we get impacted? Internally, if they are laying off their manpower, what is the impact of you people working in one of their technologies out of 100? There is no impact of that team. So a lot of difference is there. Think in a broad way. Don't think in a narrow aspect. Okay. That is AI concept impact in this domain team. Then coming to the program details team. So here you can able to see it's going to be a 3 months training program of end-to-end implementation on this technology team. The timings will be Monday to Friday morning 8 to 9 a.m. IST. So today everyone should excuse me taking more time because I have to cover more things today in the demo. But from tomorrow, sharp 8 o'clock class will start and will close by 9 because I have other schedule after 9 o'clock as well. So starting from tomorrow, sessions will be Monday to Friday, sharp 8 to 9 a.m. IST. 1 hour per day, 3 months training, it's going to be team. Along with the training, you will be getting lifetime access to the video recordings. How you can get access, team? People already enrolled, don't worry. Today you will get the details after that class. Yet to enroll, after your enrollment confirmation, you will get this portal access, team. We have our own learning portal. If you go to internet and if you type triotechsoftwaretrainings.com, here we have a button called a live classes login, yellow color button, team. Click on it. You will be prompted to the dashboard. Your user ID and password you will be getting over your email. So today, whoever already completed the registrations, you will be getting email from our company with your account credentials, team. Input your user ID and password and click on login. You will be entering into your dashboard of your name. Okay. And come here to enrolled courses. Here you can see your course coming up, team. You can see your course coming up, team. Click on the course name and everyday sessions will upload into your portal after the class. You can watch them here directly, team. See, you can watch them here directly, team. So this portal access will be there for lifetime to you. Once we share the credentials to you, you can able to reset the password and keep it safe. And this will be IP tracker, team. One device per user will be given because unfortunately these days we are seeing people in the online market, okay, portraying that they are agents of TrioTech and they have the license to sell our courses, and they are misleading the candidates and they are cheating people, that they are mentioning them as a TrioTech authorized partners. But we never partnered with anyone regarding our course sellings and all, team. If anyone need to register directly, you have to reach TrioTech and you have to do. So for that purpose, we also introduced IP tracking system for our platform. One login per person. If you have any request like you want to use in your other devices also, someone will be using in office and home, please mention to the admin team. They will be helping you out with that. Don't worry. But if it is observed that multiple logins, multiple devices simultaneously happening, accounts will be restricted as per the data breach. So please be very careful in that aspect, team. It's my suggestion to everyone. So this access will be given to you for lifetime, and 6 months Oracle Fusion server access. So this Fusion application server access will be given, team. The best part with TrioTech is many places you will get only demo servers. Demo means what, team? Oracle will provide demo instances, but every 3 days, every 5 days, the data will refresh. But with Oracle, we have an official license from Oracle, dedicated server that we call it as private server. The entire 6 months, you will be having the dedicated private server to practice, team, without any data refresh or anything. 24/7 that will be working to you. So that you will be getting as part of our training program. And for every module, I will be providing to you the real-time project assignments as well. So if you can see here, team, you will be getting this drive access. Okay, 1 second. Let me open the drive access. Okay, materials. So after the enrollment, you will be getting this drive link, team, where all the module wise materials we will be providing. And for each module, real-time assignments also will be there, team. So this is one of the sample assignment for absence management module. So we'll be giving to you to configure that in the system, and we will verify the real-time project requirements we will give to you, and you have to configure them in the system for every module, for core HR, for absence, for payroll, for all module, real-time project assignments will be given to your team. And coming to the placement assistance, we will be conducting sessions on resume preparation. I will be personally taking up these sessions, team. So ATS friendly resume, how to prepare. Then if anyone keeping experiences, what modules to focus on, what projects to keep on, that we will be covering. Freshers, how to prepare. Experienced people, how to prepare. Both I will be covering to you. And as part of that, we will be giving sample resumes to you as well, team. Some 10-20 sample resumes we will provide. So by using that, after my session, you can prepare your resume and you can send to our placement team. We have a dedicated placement team with a HR in our Hyderabad office, team. Okay, we will be helping you out with your resume building firstly. Once that is done, we will help you conducting the mock interviews. So you can see few of the reference images, team, how the placement sessions will be conducted in TrioTech office. These are Hyderabad office based out in KPHB 9th phase. So how the mock interview sessions will be conducted as a group, as individually. Okay. So everyday people will come practice over there. If any one of you from Hyderabad, you can come to office, sit there and practice also, team. So people from other cities, don't worry. We will conduct that through Zoom. So after your resume preparation, we will be conducting the mock interviews as well. But before conducting the mock interviews, team, I will be sharing you module wise interview question and answers to you. The most important thing and the success of every student will be here only. So we have a huge repository of interview questions. See, absence module. Not only questions, questions with answers, team. Then this is for core HR module, 26-page document, this is, team. So next this is for HDL and HSDL. Then this is for payroll module. Then this is for technical modules. Then this is for talent module, team. For each module, we have a huge repository, 700 or 800 plus question and answers we prepared. And all these questions that we prepared from the existing interviews of the students only. I always suggest my students, whenever you attending the interview, try to record that interview. So even today, people attending the interviews in Hyderabad office beside my cabin. So every time I used to ask them, you record that, come to me, discuss with us. So from those recordings, we prepared the questions. And most importantly, this document also. Company-wise interview questions. Whenever students attended KPMG interview, what questions they received. Then when they attended TCS, what questions they encountered. Then Avalon Software, what they encountered. Then digital is what questions they experienced in that interview. Then Infosys, what they have. Directly Oracle recruitment, what questions they received. So we have a very huge repository of interview question and answers team. So first, our team will help you out with resume preparation. Then we will be helping you out with interview question and answer sharing. Once after your preparation, we will be conducting the mock interviews as well to your team, right? After that, you can apply for your jobs. For that also, we have a referral and the placement officer dedicatedly available team. We will help out with the interview referrals as well. What is that? What is that? Every month companies will be reaching out to us for trained resources team, because it's been 11 years we started this academy. Many alumni of this only are in the top positions in the companies, and also many HRs well known about TrioTech. So they will be reaching out TrioTech for the profiles every month team. So we will be posting out the requirements from our side as well. Today after the class, after the enrollments, we will be adding you into a new WhatsApp community for your batch of August 2026. So once we complete with our training team, we will be starting our job referrals. Like this, we will be sharing the job requirements with the HR email ID and all. You can able to apply. And equally, how to prepare a Naukri account, LinkedIn account, how to reach out the connections in LinkedIn, how to make your Naukri profile up to date, what techniques to be followed. That all also I will be taking up the workshop sessions on them. So with all this due support, you will be able to reach out the interviewer and you can able to present yourself in a very proper way team. And we have a daily Q&A support also, generally in a weekdays Monday to Friday morning 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. we have a Q&A support. Dedicated WhatsApp support will be there. Our trainers will be available in that WhatsApp for the quick resolution of your issue. And one-to-one doubts assistance. Every day after the session, I will be there. You can discuss with me any questions you have as well, right? So these are the course highlights we have team. And these are some of our students placed companies recently. Apps Associate, E&Y, PwC, TechM. And you can also see some of our student success stories here team. So these are our students who got placed with the respective packages, and their video testimonials also you can find in our YouTube and Instagram channel. And these are the few success stories of our students team who happily shared their feedback with us after they got placed. All these things we shared in our social media platforms, you can check out. And last 3 months, we have seen a huge success stories from our students team. 75 plus success stories we have seen. In this, we have all kind of categories. We have freshers, we have experienced people, we have people from non-IT backgrounds transition their career. So these all are their active messages that you can see, people who shared back with their happiness team. And these are some of the placement proofs from last couple of years you can see, okay, from 2024 to 26, okay. So all these success stories also you can able to see. And in fact, you can directly Google us to find out the address of our company, of our academy team. So TrioTech Software Trainings. And here also you can able to find our genuine student feedbacks about our training program here team. Okay. So we are based out in Hyderabad, KPHB 9th phase beside Forum Mall in Hyderabad team. That is Nexus Mall. Okay. And you can able to see our office premises as well. So if you want, you can come, you can sit in the office and you can able to practice as well team, right? So these are few of the placement testimonials of the candidates who placed in TrioTech. And these are some of the Google feedbacks of our students who trained under us team, right? And coming to the timings, as I mentioned to you, from tomorrow, we are going to start with our regular sessions. Morning 8 to 9 a.m. IST team. Now the course fee particulars. The actual course fee will be 28,000 plus GST. The actual course fee will be 28,000 plus GST. But as part of our Independence Day special offer, we are giving it at 25,999 team. So this will be the early bird offer, valid only for today strictly. For day one enroll. Already many people enrolled with the price that which we have published from last 3 days. But people who yet to enroll, please complete your registration team. So what additional benefits you are going to get as part of this registration team? Not only discount, you will be getting additional 3 months server access team. I told you 6 months stable server you will get. In this early bird registration, whoever enrolling, you will be getting 3 months additional server access. That is total now 9 months you will be getting. That too stable server. You have to note down here. Stable server per month. If you inquire anywhere in market outside team, generally you won't find it. But if you find also, per month people will charge 4,000 to 5,000 for your practice purpose. So worth 12,000 rupees of private server access 3 months additionally you will be getting in this price. And also real-time project templates. Here I mentioned, right team, we have the concepts like HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader. The real-time ready-made templates for those tools to access project templates you will be getting as part of this benefit team. And fast formula ready-made templates. Here I mentioned to you, we have a concept called fast formulas across payroll, absence, and talent modules team. So whoever enrolling with this registration, you will be provided with this fast formula ready-made template team. Almost like 200 plus fast formulas of real-time requirements that which we prepared, which you can directly use in your projects team. You will be getting this template as well. Direct use in the projects, ready-made templates, almost like more than 200 plus requirements from our companies, what we worked on earlier. We consolidated all the fast formulas here. So this repository also you will get as an additional benefit. And Oracle certification dumps. Actually, today I didn't got the time to cover these two aspects. In tomorrow's session, I will be covering knowledge repository and Oracle certification team. So if anyone planning to do Oracle certification, the dumps for that we will be providing to you. The question and answers readily available. So that you will be provided team. So these are the exclusive benefits that you will be getting who enrolled in this early bird registration now. Total worth of 17,000 which you have to additionally spend will be covered in this offer price team. So 25,999 will be valid only for today. So I request everyone, please complete the registration process team. Already our admin team sharing out the payment registration link in our chat button. So I request everyone, please click on that link and you can able to register yourself. Do one thing very importantly. Once after you paying the fee with that link and you registered, please share the payment screenshot and your registered email ID to the admin team. Okay. So that our team will be helping you out with the portal access creation and all. Today, two things will happen after your registration. Number one, you will be getting an email by end of the day from our company where you can able to find the steps to access your learning portal and your account credentials, password, everything team. Number two, you will be getting a new WhatsApp community link. You have to join in that. Starting from tomorrow, any communication that I want to do with you people, any what I have to say materials I want to share with you, or any schedule related information I want to share with you, we will be communicating you with that community only. So from your side also, please get confirm whether these two things happened or not. Whether you received account access by end of the day, not immediately now, by end of the day you will receive. the learning portal access you received or not. Secondly, WhatsApp group link you received or not. These two things you please check out, team. So this is the early bird registration that we are giving only for today. So this is the spot enrollment offer for the candidates who are attending the demo. Additional 3 months, total 9 months server access worth 12,000 free we will be getting, including the Oracle certification dumps. Even you can scan this QR code and you can confirm the registration on the screen. Or else we have sent in WhatsApp message also, people who filled the Google form. We have sent in WhatsApp message also to check out the registration payment link, or in the chat button in the Zoom call now. Our admin also shared that link to you. So you can please complete your registration today and get yourself enrolled with the program team. So from tomorrow, we will be continuing with our regular classes, and a new meeting link will be shared to the candidates who confirmed the registration team. From tomorrow, only the registered participants will be shared with a new meeting link. So please do complete the registrations team. So that's all for today. Now let me open the forum for Q&A. So any questions, online people, you can please ask me one by one. Yes, please, Renuka.
Yeah, what's the max experience I can put? I'm 10 plus years into IT. So
See,
what's the max?
generally, I suggest maximum you have to portray 4 to 5 years, not beyond that, so that it will be manageable to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi,
And what about
myself.
yeah, it's completely like in the she's into medical profession. So will she be able to take this?
Can able to do that. Once discuss with the admin team offline so
Okay.
that they can able to guide you better, because when we moving from a non-IT, there will be some procedure which they will be suggesting you that I cannot able to tell in the class directly because it's recording and which we publish in YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
No
Thank you.
problem, Renuka. Yeah. Next question, please.
I myself, Sudhir. So I work
Sudhir.
with HSBC. I have 10 plus years of experience.
Okay,
I'm
Sudhir.
into KYC. So will this be relevant for me? Like
What is the designation over there, Sudhir?
assistant manager. I'm working as an assistant
Mhm.
manager
Total
into
experience
KYC.
of
15 years plus I have.
15 years experience.
10
Okay.
years in HSBC and earlier I used to work with
You can,
Access
you
and
can,
consultant.
you can move. That's not a problem. See, here I mentioned one person here. See, this this
Yeah,
person, this person also came from HSBC background only. Just if you want, I can
yeah.
share his details later on. You can discuss with him. Yes, I connected with that because when you mentioned the company, you can learn that. Not a problem. You can move, but discuss the approach
Correct.
offline. No problem. Okay.
Yeah. That's what because Oracle is our client. We will be when
That's
you're
what I
discussing
understand.
in the
Why I
yeah.
told okay is that's what I know that because ICICI Bank, HDFC, RBL, HSBC, Oracle Fusion is being used over there.
Yeah, because in the COVID time, we used to access these applications when we are, trying all the
True.
purchasing
I
all
know that.
this and all.
Yeah.
So we need to, upload the
You
bills,
can
right?
mention end user experience and you can apply simple. You can tell that your company, your bank using Oracle HCM Cloud and you've been working as an end user to that domain and now you want to move to the implementation side. Like that, you can move. That's not a
So
problem.
how we can change the experience and all, because
That
in the
team will assist you. You can discuss with that team. No worries, Sudhir. Okay.
okay,
See, anything
so
with related to profile discussion, better discuss with offline team because everyone will have different non-IT backgrounds. That will be better to discuss offline. Anything related to the subject, anything, let's discuss here, team. Okay.
fine. So if I want to talk to in person,
Support
separately, can
number
I
is there.
call?
Now you have a chat button in the chat. We have shared the number to you. You can able to reach out to us. No problem.
3510, right? This is
You
your
can
direct
reach.
number.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah. Anyways, I'll call you in
No
person
problem. Thank
separately.
you. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Hi,
tomorrow I
will
have
you
a
be able
small
to
doubt.
show us
One at a
sorry,
time.
will you be able to
I'll
show
call
us how the
Saikiram.
configuration actually looks like? Is small 1 minute or half a minute
Tomorrow you will
bit?
get, madam.
Is it okay?
Today is a demo, right? Tomorrow we'll be covering intro to the application, how the look and feel, how the setups will be done. In each module, we have many configurations. If you see core HR, we have these many configurations we have. In payroll, we have. So we will be covering step by step. In demos, I can't explain you everything today. So tomorrow we'll see, no problem. Okay.
Okay. And any HR knowledge required for this? Not required.
No, absolutely no.
Okay. Okay.
Not required. Yeah.
And will they be following the same like how we have in the IT, how you get the user stories and then based on that you have to configure? Will we be
Yes.
following the
The
same software?
requirement will be given by the client. Based upon that, we have to configure the system.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Are we covering this end-to-end implementation?
Yes,
For HR
Preeti,
network?
it's going to be end-to-end implementation. One full life cycle of project implementation experience you will be getting. That I can assure you. Next, Sai Kiran, please.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I have a gap of 6 years. Uh,
Mm.
so is this course help me rebuilding my career actually?
Definitely, you
I
can
was
learn. That's not a problem. You can either
yeah,
start as
actually
a
I was into
person.
KYC.
Mhm.
Uh,
No, not
it's
an
been six
issue.
years. I'm not working actually.
It's not an issue. You can learn. There will be companies who will be hiring you as a fresher in this domain also.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Hello,
Next
sir.
question.
Amir.
Yeah, Amir, hello.
Yeah, actually, I done my PG in 2022, but till that I don't have any experience. I'm looking for the opportunity now so that I can learn this course.
You can learn. What's stopping you? Nothing. You can learn happily.
Okay, it may
Hello,
be
sir.
helpful
Can you
or
hear me?
not, I don't know. That's
Yes.
the reason I'm asking.
No issue, Amir. You can learn. No problem.
How many implementations should be having for 2 years experience?
Generally,
Like end to end.
four projects you can mention. 2 years experience means
4 implementation.
implementation or support. Two implementation, two supports, or three implementations, one support. Like mix and match combination you can keep. During our placement workshops, detailedly we will tell how many projects to keep in. Out of that, how many you have to mention implementation, support, and all. Generally, four for 2 years means.
Is it different from technicals? Like there is another module, right, which includes SQL and PLSQL. Is it different?
Which module we have another means?
Like Fusion Technicals.
In Fusion Technical also, in BIP area only, we have SQL. See, Technical
Okay.
plus OIC, we have one more program we launched that is much emphasizing how Fusion OIC will be implemented in part with Technical. But this is something which we will cover exclusively in HCM. What is the technical aspects we have? Okay. Next, Mohan or Raghavendra, anyone, Kavita, Kavi Matia, Kavi Mati, Rohit.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I have close to 7 years of experience. So the thing is,
Mhm.
like, if I take the course and I can change my profile to like 3 to 5 years of experience guy, will
Mhm.
this training or support is going to help me to crack the interview, or additional support you will be giving to us?
Can you repeat the question once? I didn't get your question. I
Yeah.
lost you.
So if I put my 5 years of experience completely as an
In HCM.
HCM
Okay.
consultant, techno or the functional consultant, will I
Mhm.
be able to cracking this
Manage the
interview?
interviews or not?
Yes,
100%. See, I
yes.
can tell you very confidently, if you could able to attend the sessions for 3 months under me, and if you practice everything, whatever I am sharing to you, 100% all assignments if you are doing, definitely a person with real-time knowledge of 4 to 5 years, what he will have, you will also be at that level in the knowledge side. So 100% you can able to clear the interview, but the efforts to be equally given. I conducting the classes every day morning 3 months is not the only thing to clear the interview. You people also to be passionate and you should also put the efforts equally. If you do that, definitely yes. Okay.
Okay.
Next question to
Hi,
question
Kumar.
please. Hi,
Mohan.
Mohan, please.
Sorry.
No problem. Go ahead.
Actually, I have doubt, Kumar. Actually, I'm working in a product-based company.
Mm-hmm.
So, company where we do not have any clients. So,
Mm-hmm.
I currently, in total, I have 11 years of experience. But in my current company, I have 5+ years of experience here. So as you said about the implementation, so but we do not have that option to mention it. So what
Mm.
I can
See, what's your company? If you have problem to reveal that, that's not a problem. You can discuss offline. But generally, what we suggest is people from existing IT backgrounds or a product or service company, we tell them to ideally keep the current experience only last 3, 4 years. Try to
Mhm.
update that you've been working as Oracle HCM resource over there. Something like a project came in, or your company supporting another client project, something like that. You have to build up a story in the interviews, and you have to
Oh,
mention like you have worked on this from last 2, 3 years in your current company only. Because whenever you drop in the resume, you are not
mhm.
manipulating the employment here. You are just updating your resume in your current employment only, portraying that your company using this. Because when BGV happened, they won't ask in which project, in which role, I mean, in which activities daily you are working. Generally, they will verify what is your designation, what is your package in that company, since when you are working. Till that extent only, BGV will be questioned. And moreover, your company also will not answer beyond that, right? So
Okay.
that's how we can manage. That's not a big problem to you.
Okay. Got
Yeah.
it.
Next
Got it.
question, team.
Hi, Kumar.
Hi, Kumar. Karimati here.
Yeah, hi. Who is that? I didn't get you.
Kavimati.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, regarding the
Kalimati.
Oracle Cloud access, so
Yeah.
each individual will be getting the private access or it will be shared one.
It's a shade. It's a shade one, Kavimati. We can't give individual one. But
Okay. So,
it
but
will be simultaneously accessible by everyone in the batch. We don't have that limitation. If someone is using, I can't use some like that. No, it's open to everyone. It's a free form user we will be giving.
okay, but the implementation done by one will be altered by others, right? If it is shared.
It's not about only user. In Fusion system, anyone can do any sort of additions or updations to the configurations who already done. So if I give individual user also, they can able to do that. Better what I
Okay.
suggest is whenever you're using a common access, whatever the data you are configuring, try to give some unique name. You add your name in front, like Kavi group of companies, something, a unique name of your pattern to understand your configuration.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Kumar.
Hi.
So in the functional payroll management, so what are the countries we will be covering in the course?
So your name also Kumara. Okay.
Yes.
So generally we cover global payroll, Kumar, here. Something like specific to US and UK and Middle East region. So our idea is to give a glance of all the countries. It's not something we want to focus only on US payroll, because once you get into a job, we don't know which client project you will be mapped, whether they come from Middle East or whether they come from India or they come from US. So we will be giving an idea or a glance on all the global payrolls like US, UK, then Middle East, India, like that.
Okay, Kumar. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Kumar.
Hi, Kumar.
Hi.
Yeah, actually, I have been working in Oracle Fusion from past 3 years. Earlier, I was in the support of in Redwood UI,
Oh,
and
very
later
good.
on, my company is now asking me to change their classic UI to the Redwood UI.
Redwood.
So, will that part also be
Covered.
covered?
Yes. Redwood implementation will cover. Redwood customization also will cover. Visual Builder Studio.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Kumar.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, Sayed this side.
Hi, Sayed.
My questions to you, I mean, I have like around 6 year. I have been in US ID recruitment field currently and working as a lead. So if I'm going to, I mean, transfer my career into in Oracle SCM, so how it is could be, I mean,
See, I got your question because many people from HR backgrounds in the call also there. Generally, what HR people will be doing is whatever the current role that you are doing, it's a domain HR. But what you have to tell is a story you have to build up here. Something like in your current organization, you will be using some or the other localized HR tool for your recruitment activities. Or if you're working in a small company, means probably you might not be using directly, you are downloading the profiles from job portals and you might be working. But you have to build up a story that as a HR in your current company, they are using your client using Oracle HCM Cloud as a HR tool. you've been working as an end user to that domain. So now you are planning to move to the implementation side. Like that, you can able to build up a story. In fact, many HRs will tell that story and they will be sustaining that in the market today because it's a genuine thing. One or the other HR tool definitely companies will be using. So in that place, we have to mention your client using or your company using Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, and you working in the day-to-day HR activities like hiring their employees, doing their leaves, or processing their salaries, tax reportings and all. Now you want to move to the implementation side. Rather than telling that you don't know anything, you are starting as a fresher, some sort of flavor if you mention in the resume, then interviewer will easily convince and they will schedule a call also. Okay.
Okay, and easily I can get a job in in UAE in current
Easily,
time because
easily is a very
I
typical
want to move
word.
in UAE in after 3-4 months.
Definitely, Syed. Yes. See, that's what I'm telling. Ultimately, we have to check two things. First of all, how good this technology in the market today, how the calls are getting scheduled, and how the packages in the market. If these things are good, then what else will bother you here? In this technology, for anyone I'm telling, whenever you choosing this, you target on these points, whether we have demand for this tool or not, whether packages are nicely offered or not, long shelf life. For next 10, 15 years without any problem, can I be in the IT without any recession impacts or anything? These parameters, if your technology is green color checkboxed, then fine. Rest is with ours. Proper training, anyhow, we are going to provide you. Practice, you are going to do as we suggest or as we train you, then you can able to get it. So 4 months is what your timeline for everyone. 3 months of training and 1 month of rigorous revision. And next we have to get the job. That is what you have to plan.
Yeah, hi Kumar.
Yeah.
Myself Someshwar.
Someshwar, yes.
Yeah, I have one question. So in real time, so whatever the configurations we are talking, so is it actionable? Means any action plan is based on the action plan we have to set up the configurations, or
Correct.
else how they
There will be action plan. We will be calling in the projects. There is something called BR100 document will be there, where once the solution has been finalized, all the configurations will be defined in the BR100 document. As per that only, we will do the configurations in the system.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Part of this, I have one query. For at least 4 years or 5 years. So, how many projects we can put into our resume?
4-5 years or 2-3 years also. Maximum, I suggest to go with maximum 5 or 6 projects, not more than that. Because some projects will have a timeline of 1 year, some projects will have 18 months, 2 years, and phase by phases clients will go, and some projects will complete within 6 months only. It depends upon the size of the client, the kind of modules we are implementing. I'm working for a project, one of the project I mentioned in the introduction of mine, global implementation. Since 3 years we are working in the same project, phase by phase client growing, country by country the implementations we are rolling out. So 4-5 years, if you are portraying the experience, means maximum 5 to 6 projects you can keep in the resume. And moreover, in the interview also, that is manageable. Beyond that, if you mention, they start doubting you, a lot of questions will arise. It will be difficult. That's don't worry. When we come to the resume preparation and the placement workshop sessions, we will be detailedly covering you about all that team. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks, Kumar.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, hi.
Sorry, someone asking me a question. Sorry, please unmute and you can ask me. Hello.
Hi Kumar, this is Rohit.
Hi.
I'm a Peoplesoft technical consultant working in States.
Oh, great. Okay.
Yeah. So my question is, so as you mentioned that this Oracle Fusion HCM gives opportunities only to, like consultants working in implementation companies. So is there any scope of, like if I learn this course and, like gain some
No,
real-time experience, so will I be able to work directly in
definitely,
the
Rohit,
product-based
because
companies?
all PeopleSoft consultants or Oracle e-business suite consultants or Siebel consultants moving towards the Fusion because the next market is only Fusion. So you can also tell whatever the
Yes,
PeopleSoft
actually, even my
technology.
current client is migrating towards Fusion, but
Exactly.
I don't have
So
the scope to participate in the migration.
Okay.
So that's the
No
reason I'm
problem.
wanting it on
You
this.
can mention whenever you dropping the resume that PeopleSoft experience only you alter. Last 3-4 years, you mentioned that you moved to Fusion and you are working in the Fusion projects. Like that, if you can portray, it will be easily to move. Good number of opportunities we have. You're working in US, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, good number of opportunities we have across US, Canada regions, everywhere.
And your roadmaps looks like it is heavily, like focused on implementation. So will it also be focused on application support? Because, like all the
Yes.
companies here,
See,
mostly they
I'll
have
tell you one thing,
Fusion.
Rohit. If
Yeah.
implementation knowledge you have, support you can handle easily. What is there in support? Issue fixing, issue analyzing, issue debugging, right? If implementation knowledge, configuration knowledge you have, then the support or the kind of knowledge easily you can able to understand. That's why I told you in our implementation, so in our placement workshop, I will also be handling the knowledge on support projects as well. How support projects will function in this domain and what sort of issues will be coming up to you in the real time whenever we working. That also will cover. Implementation is base. If you have this knowledge, support you can handle anything. You should know how to drive a car, first of all, to handle the rest of the things. Okay. Yeah. Well, team, I will conclude here for today. So I would like to thank every one of you for taking your time and joining the session. And you have to, what to say, I mean, I'm really sorry for everyone to keep you trouble and wait for a very long time. I know it's very difficult to stay in the call for 2.5 hours, but as it's demo, I have to cover all the details extensively. We have taken more extra time. But starting from tomorrow, strictly 1 hour will be the scheduled time. So tomorrow, please join the session by sharp 8 a.m. Today, I have seen people joining by 8:15, 8:20 also. Please don't do that. Sharp 8 a.m. our Zoom will start and we will close the class by 9 a.m. team. So I request everyone, please complete your registration in the link that our team shared in the community team. I mean in the Zoom chat, and also people who fill the Google form, WhatsApp message you got already. So please complete your registrations and get your portal access, login credentials, new WhatsApp community, and also Zoom link for attending the tomorrow session. Right? So thank you everyone team. I'm signing off for the day. Really appreciating every one of you for taking part in this demo. Thank you everyone once again team.